If Microsoft Edge keeps importing Chrome data every time it launches, that can be really annoying, especially if you want to keep your browser settings clean and stop repeated sync changes from showing up automatically. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop Edge from importing Chrome data at launch in just a few simple steps. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Edge menu, where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into the Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see different sections for managing the browser. Click Profiles. Profiles is where Edge stores account, sync, and browser import options, so this is the correct place to change import behavior. After that, look for and click Import Browser Data. This section controls how Edge handles data coming from other browsers, including Chrome. Now you should see an option related to importing browser data at each launch. If that option is turned on, that's the reason Edge keeps pulling in Chrome data every time it starts. To stop that from happening, turn the option off. Once you disable it, Edge will no longer automatically import Chrome data whenever it launches. If a confirmation box appears, click Confirm to save the change. This final step makes sure your new setting is applied properly. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Microsoft Edge from importing Chrome data at launch. This is a great way to take back control of your browser and keep your settings from changing unexpectedly. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.